Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Layout Build series. Today's going to be a shorter one, but hopefully you guys still enjoy. I also will be uploading a video on Sunday, so do look out for that. Alright, so today we're going to be starting with these Walthers Track Bumpers I luckily found at the thrift store for only a couple bucks a piece. So the track bumpers were actually something I needed, so I was pretty happy to find these. So I actually did get some footage of me finding them in the store. They were in the crafts section, which does make sense for this kind of item, but I was still shocked to find them. Sometimes you do get lucky at the thrift stores, but usually it's pretty hard to find model train stuff. So some of you may remember this Dairy Queen from my previous layout, and I think I'm actually going to end up putting it here, and I'm going to build a sort of shopping center around it. I think it will look good, and it'll also make for a cool build. I have been actually trying to use some older buildings from the previous layout, so this way I actually used one of them, and this was actually one of my favorite ones from the old layout. So Sunday's video will most likely be on that. And I will of course be repainting it, since I didn't really do that the last time. Alright, so now it's going to be time to build some of these track bumpers for the layout. Luckily they are only 4 pieces per bumper. First one is down and a couple more to go, since that's pretty much all I'm going to be needing. For only one of them I will be trying this acrylic paint, but I prefer using a spray can since it comes out cleaner and it's much easier. At this point I do need about another coat or two, but you can kind of get the idea of how it's going to look here at the end of the track. Now it's not absolutely needed on any layout, but it is a nice add-on if you want to be a little bit more prototypical. The other spot that will get one will be right here. Most likely I will be making this a team track, like many of you guys suggested before. Now time to paint the others with the regular brown matte spray paint. The goal is going to be to not overdo it, which is pretty easy to do with these kind of small pieces. So they did actually come out pretty nice. I actually just glued it down with some tacky glue, and I also found some photos of the actual sort of prototypical one that you find in real life. I'm not sure how common this exact kind of track bumper is, but it's a nice addition to the layout. And also it's even better because I got them for a good deal. Well anyways, that's going to be the end of the video today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. It was a short one, but I will be uploading on Sunday, so do remember to look out for that. And as usual, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.